To use the advanced filter in the catalog, first you have to click on the catalog and then go to the blue button on the top left and click Advanced Filter. Here you can filter by many things, by the extraction method, by plant part. For example, if you choose to look only on the essential oils that are distilled by needles, you click needle and then it will narrow it down to the oils that were distilled with that plant part. You can click more parts and then get more essential oils. Another interesting thing for people who are interested in smells, you can look at essential oils that have a middle note, for example, and this can be helpful for learning or teaching or selling. The origin, which country the oil is from, something that might be of interest. Odor description, so for example, you're interested only in oils that have a floral smell, or floral and citrus, so it narrows down more and more through the catalog. Odor intensity is the smell gentle, subtle, distinct, or very strong. Cultivation, how was it cultivated? Was it organic? Was it certified organic? Was it conventional farming? So you can filter through all these things. Botanical family as well. My personal favorite is filtering through chemical groups. So here we narrowed it down to larger groups, which are functional groups, and they make up our chemical composition of the essential oils. Each of these groups have subgroups, so you can search by a full group like hydrocarbons, and then decide to look, for example, all the oils that have over 50% of hydrocarbons, and then it narrows it down to those oils. We can delete that here and search for only monoterpenes, so oils that have, for example, all essential oils that have over, for example, 70, and then you can narrow down between 70 and 85% of monoterpenes, and then you hit apply, and then you get those oils. Also, you can fix that if you click on the chemical groups and then on your chosen numbers, and then you can change it to, for example, you want to know all the oils that have from 30 to 100%, and then you change your search. You can go even deeper and look for a specific chemical component. For example, you might be interested in alpha-pinene, and then search for all oils that have over 20% of alpha-pinene. And if that's not enough, you can search for 2 things, or 3, or how many you want. So for example, essential oils with over 20% of alpha-pinene, but I'm also interested in 1,8-cineol. And then you can just, in our search box, you can try and type the chemical component. And so now I'm looking for oils that have over 5% of 1,8-cineol and 20% and over 20% of alpha-pinene. Let's see if we find anything. So here you go. We narrowed it down to 20 different essential oils with this combination. And this is very useful tool for professional use. Make sure to clear all filters if this is something that you want to do. And to finish this tutorial, you can also search by a specific essential oil company or a distiller. And if you click here, for example, you choose one, and then you see all the oils the specific company is offering in Dropsmith. So this might be useful if you're using a particular blend. Of course, you don't have to. You can look at all oils that we have in the database. Thank you for watching, and make sure to play along with our advanced filter.